Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. If you want to see how to make it, just keep on watching. Let's begin adding shaving cream. Adding some glue. No. Now add some glitter.
Mama, Mommy.
Now it's time to start mixing. Now we add the contact solution. This is going to be the activator. And now we start mixing. When you see it like this, it's time to massage it. Oh, this feels good. Look at it. Massage it until it gets harder. Stretchy slime. Got it. Look how cool is it. It's getting hard. How you make it fluffy.
Wow.
How does slime turn out? This one is fluffier. These two are the fluffiest slime ever. It feels like the same thing. Subscribe to my channel to see more slime videos. Bye.